Please follow these steps when receiving an LTL shipment of True equipment. Upon arrival of your True cooler, it is extremely important that the person receiving the equipment inspects it thoroughly before signing the delivery receipt or bill of lading and before the driver leaves the facility. Most carriers allow approximately 5 minutes to inspect the shipment. The receiving customer should closely examine the condition of the crating, looking for tears, gouges, scrapes, punctures, crush marks, etc. If the packaging appears damaged in any way, the customer should note the damage on the delivery receipt and then ask to open and inspect the cooler immediately. If visible damage is found, refuse the unit and write "damage and refuse" next to the item on the bill of lading. Please contact the shipper with the model and serial number to request a replacement. Please be aware if the receiver accepts a piece of damaged equipment, they are responsible to file the freight claim. Concealed damage. If the customer finds damage on a shipment after signing for the initial delivery free and clear, this is considered concealed freight damage. It is very important to inspect all shipments promptly, as you only have 5 days to report concealed freight damage to the carrier. If you find concealed freight damage, do not move the unit, and keep the original packaging for the freight company's claim inspector. The freight claim could be dismissed if you do not follow these instructions.